Are you
I got it.
comfortable?
Okay, I'll hold
Yeah.
it with you.
Oh,
It's okay, don't worry.
Is Splitsvilla scripted?
रात में क्या हुआ, दिन में क्या हुआ, we have no idea. So that is not scripted.
Makers are keeping Akriti safe just for the TRP. Is there anything like that?
Definitely not politically correct in any way, and we have to tell them that, hey, you can't say this. And sometimes वो गुस्से में आता है.
Hi, Sunny. Hi, Janvi. How are you both?
Good.
Do you want
Fantastic.
me to hold this?
No, I can.
Between us?
Are you
I got it.
comfortable?
Okay, I'll hold
Yeah.
it with you.
Oh,
It's okay, don't worry.
Okay, you both are looking really stunning.
Thank you.
Thank
Lovely.
you.
I have no words for you. Also, how Starstruck is doing right now in terms of turnover and everything.
Well, at this very moment, Starstruck is doing amazing because we're here in Noida. We're here at Lux, and Lux is definitely going to be my second home, and I'm so excited that my product is here and everybody gets to use it.
Okay, Janvi, how's the feeling?
And
Sunny
even
is
I
here,
feel
Starstruck
this,
and
that,
Looks is having.
Within the first week, we booked more than 27 pre-orders, and we were like, wow, fantastic. People are just loving Starstruck products, and I feel this collaboration will be fantastic ahead.
Okay. Which part of makeup you both like the most and why?
I like blush the most
Okay.
because that makes
Same.
me look fresh, cool, and glowy with a little bit of tint on my cheeks. What about you?
That's a really good one because as women there's some days where we just feel so bad, and then we might be feeling lifeless on the inside, but you put a little blush, a little mascara, and walk out the door.
Exactly. And which part of skincare you both like?
Ooh, that's tough because
I
do
love
so many things.
moisturizer.
Yeah, moisturizer is good. I think that if you were to have one item that would be your most important, it would be sunblock, sunscreen for your face.
Okay. Sunny.
Maybe a moisturizer with SPF can be the
Yeah,
best thing.
mine's SPF 50.
Okay, Sunny, the most important question which I wanted to ask and many people want to know is Splitsvilla scripted?
Okay, I'll tell you the parts that are scripted.
Hmm.
The parts that are scripted is the challenges they do. They tell us exactly what step is happening after another. But their reactions, what happens, their fights, what they talk about, that is not scripted. So we have no idea who's going to win a challenge. We have no idea what's going to happen, who's going to react. रात में क्या हुआ, दिन में क्या हुआ, we have no idea. So that is not scripted. The only thing that is our challenges. Yes, we have to have a script so we know exactly what to tell them, how the challenge should happen.
And how
This
do
is
you
step
control-
one, step two, step three.
How do you control your anger? I've seen you getting angry so many times.
There's a lot of off-camera and on-camera things that happen, and I think like sometimes when you're on a reality show, you lose sight of some of the things that you're doing, some of the things that you're saying, and that is my job or Tanuja's job to kind of get everybody back in line. And some things that they say are definitely not politically correct in any way, and we have to tell them that, hey, you can't say this. And sometimes वो गुस्से में आता है.
Okay, do you have any favorite contestant in any of the
They're
seasons?
all my favorite.
They're all your favorite. Okay,
They're
someone
all-
was saying that makers are keeping Akriti safe just for the TRP. Is there anything like that?
I don't think so, but we'll get back to looks in just a second. I don't think so at all. What happens is that we always target the people who talk the most. अगर हम ज़्यादा बात करेंगे TV पे, then ज़्यादा ही focus होगा. So back to Starstruck now.
Okay. The last question is, what Looks and Starstruck are going to do in the future?
So many things.
What
You tell.
amazing is going to
You
come?
say.
So many things. So at very first step, we have the fantastic makeup brand here, and all the products are really good. Customers are really liking them. They are complimenting us, and when we announced that Sunny is going to come here for the products and everything, people were like, "Yeah, I want to buy the product. Let me just meet her and all." So I just think that this collaboration is in future it will lead to many more partnership and successes together.
Okay, lastly, one makeup tip you both want to give to the audience.
You start.
Okay, the one makeup tip that I would love to give is to apply the foundation or concealer that matches your skin tone. The second that you go outside of that is the second your skin starts looking gray, it starts looking ashy, instead of having that nice, beautiful glow that you already have.
Okay, Janvi.
So my tip would be when your skin is very sensitive, which is mine. So I always apply my foundation, mixing a little bit with my moisturizer, so it doesn't look cakey on my skin and it maintains the textures as long as I want to stay with the makeup.
Okay, it was lovely talking to you and congratulations for this
Thank
collaboration.
you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
For exclusive and insightful videos, subscribe to our new channel ABP Live Premium.